Hello, Gavin Hoey here with the Paint Shop Pro quick tip. Now, if you've watched the Technique of the Month video, this month you know that we made some custom brushes and made this kind of sparkly starburst effect. But as well as making your own custom brushes, it is possible to download extra brushes that people have already made and wish to share. For example, we've got some Paint Shop Pro brushes so you can put some different shaped starburst effects on the cover CD. So I'm going to show you how you can add those in. Once you've downloaded the brushes onto your hard drive, you need to come up to File and then down to Import and choose Custom Brush. Now from this little pop-up menu that we have here, we're going to choose the word Open. Now at this point you're going to need to navigate your way to wherever you've downloaded your brushes, and when you get there you'll find there's 12 of them in our little pack. So what we need to do is to click on the first one, then scroll down to the bottom one, hold the Shift key and click on the bottom one as well. So they're all selected, and click the word Open. Now it just takes a moment or two for Paint Shop Pro just to go through those brushes, but there we are. We can now see the brushes here loaded down the side. But we're not quite done. One extra step. One more button to click. Here it says Add All of Them, and that'll add all of those brushes into your brush palette. Click OK, and you're done. Okay, let's see if they've made it into the palette. Let's get up the brush tool and we'll have a little look. And yep, here we go. Look, here's all of the brushes there and ready for you to use.